What is up, Preston Outdoors fans? Welcome back to another video. I'm your host here, Ethan Preston. My first ice fishing video of the year, first ice fishing trip of the year, and picking up a buddy. You'll probably recognize him, Mr. Levi Nix. Picking him up here shortly, and we're gonna do some fishing. He said the fishing was phenomenal, so yes, we want to go try and make a video. Nothing is prepared the same way. Speak of the devil. Yo, just pulling to the lake. Pretty sure you can see Levi over there. But Levi is the guide for today.
It's going to be a harvest session. This isn't fishing. This is going to be a harvest session. Just putting that out there.
If it's half as good as he says, I'll be impressed.
Actually, it's a beautiful day outside. A little colder than yesterday. Got a couple of buddies out here with us. It's gonna be a freaking sleigh fest. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Stay tuned. It should be pretty fun. We're on.
Oh, sounds like your drag's going over there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, hello.
What'd you get?
Hello.
Hello, Pete Fair. Team?
They're ready for an all day either.
There you go. I only need like
You got one?
an eye too, huh?
It is an eye.
Yeah, I know it is. I said it. First one of the year. I could tell. You know why? Because walleyes do walleye things. And do little head shakes. What's big enough? There we go. The
Drop shot?
It's not a walleye.
On a drop shot. What in the world? Look at this.
This is a walleye.
Okay. Boom. Success on
The drop shot. Nice.
how big is it?
I don't know. How big is it?
Oh.
17 and a quarter.
You keep that.
It's like 11 and a half. It's a good fish.
Yeah.
Probably 11. What'd you get, Levis? Ooh, baby! May take all day to make a video, but man alive, it's gonna happen.
If you don't catch one of them fish, oh, drag.
Sounds good. Walleye? Crappie.
A little bigger one.
Crappie. They're super lethargic. Mini, 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 mini. Oh, that's a heavy fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Heavy fish.
Waldo. It's not as heavy anymore. Yes. See what you got. Oh,
Yes, sir.
buddy. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, it does. That's a Walter. Would you like assistance? If I can make it over. I can't get over. Oh. That was over 20. Oh my gosh. That was a good.
Did you see it?
But I didn't see the fish.
I saw him.
Was it a good one?
Yeah. It was that equal. That says maybe a little bigger.
Oh no.
Hey, like, can you check? Oh, drop shot. That's a walleye.
Oh, it's a really good one. Up. Good, Ethan. That's a cable.
Cass is gonna be happy.
Here. Could be a Walter. Small one. Big Sladooski. Yes, sir. Fish. Oh, Pete, look at this. Look at that fish. Paper trailing.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
12? ish.
Alright.
Doubles?
I'll use minnows.
Oh, hello.
That's a nicer one. That one will go 12. That's a great look at it. I just got it.
Doubles,
That's a
Levis?
12.
Yeah,
Yeah, double bigs.
Double big.
Yeah, boys.
Oh. Oh, there's one on the bobber. Take it under. Take it under. Take it down, down, down.
Get him, boy.
Down. Walleye? No. Nice crap. Nice crap.
You're gonna walk back into.
Oh, get him, Pete. Yeah,
Oh, that's a slab.
Oh,
Biggin.
get on and grab that.
Oh, did you see the jig?
Gone.
It's gone. I didn't need to go after it.
Is that on that red plastic still?
Yeah. Hit about 4 times. Yeah, so that's what a big one looks like, actually. I think we just doubled on bigs.
Get him out of the lake.
Dude, that's a slab.
Holy.
Have you ever thought about mounting one?
No.
Where's Ethan?
Right here.
Ethan, you better get that camera in here, buddy.
You got one going already. Here you go, folks. Freaking Mondo.
Winded. Holy. Camera still running? Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Get a tape on it. 14? 13 and a half?
There we go. There's. Ooh.
What do you got?
Drop shot.
Drop shot what? Drop shot. Up backwards.
Hey, get my juicer. Dude. Fuck! We were just talking about walleyes on plastics.
That's what that was?
Yeah.
On the bottom?
Oh yeah, about a 7, probably 16 range.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
So a little bit bigger than this?
It would have been about that, yeah.
Let's go! What'd you get?
Walleye.
Big.
Nice one.
Nice walleye. Nice fish.
Hey, that one's fat.
Boom!
Nice fish.
Oh, it's fat.
Yeah.
You couldn't resist the UV green buckshot at James Holst.
Yeah, James Holst.
In-depth outdoors. That's all they use. Alright, Cam. YouTubers!
Is that another one of the 19s?
It looks like it. It's nice,
It looks like that.
That's so nice. Look at that.
Fat. Oh, he's pooping himself too. He's shitting
Beautiful fish.
himself. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Quit sucking on it.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm fishing Walters. I'm fishing bottom now. I'm fishing Walters only.
Pete.
I saw that mark.
No
from
way
over
you
here.
called that. Look at that rod bed. That's beautiful.
Other rod?
That's a really big fish.
Pike?
buddy. I'm not sure it looked like it, but
Should I reel mine up?
yeah. Oh, like, yeah.
Didn't you say you wanted a
We
big
haven't
pike?
No. Oh my god!
You see it yet?
No. It's underneath this. Ethan, you might want to reel that too. There's an all underneath this.
I think I got him.
Do you?
Yep, I think he got my bob rod. Alright, let it out.
Oh no.
I don't want to lose my hand.
You want me to grab him?
It's a heavy fish, buddy.
Boy.
Oh boy!